Welcome back to the channel, and this is AI rating. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about one AI tools which I will use for the bug bounty hunting. And especially recently, I have explored this AI tool, which is a CLI based AI tool only, and this is a crazy one. Okay, I will exactly tell you how to install the tool, and also how to create the agents inside that, and the skills that we are going to use for the bug bounty hunting. And I will tell you extra more to other tools for the especially for creating the bash script, and also bash script for the especially for the python bash script. You can tell me that scripting language is python bash script for reconnaissance. Okay, and the tools like the tools which we are going to use for this, what I can say, that open this AI. Okay, this AI we call I have explored is OpenCode. Okay, uh, let me go and install that, and from the first I will explain you how exactly we are going to do the whole process. Okay, firstly go to your OpenCode, download the OpenCode. As you guys already know, the OpenCode is free. Say that it's a free for everyone, and also the models which are already there inside this OpenCode. Go to the opencode.ai website, and just using curl command, just copy paste it, and you will get everything here. Okay, just do this one. Let's do this. Let it be complete, and before that, I want to tell you other two AI models. Okay, like I want you two guys to use the AI models which are given by the NVIDIA, like the API keys which are provided by the NVIDIA. Okay, you can use these API keys by generating the API key. Make sure that you make account on the NVIDIA account, and make sure that you create API and keep that API key with yourself. Okay, and that's it. And after creating the API key, I will tell you how exactly that to use that API key inside the open code for especially for the bug hunting. Okay, I have some special scripts where you can do the bug hunting, especially for the reconnaissance, and also one more thing is that content discovery. Especially content discovery comes under reconnaissance only, but it will make sure that everything is covered. Okay, let it be download as it's downloaded. Okay, you have to install, means after completion of installation you have to restart the your terminal. Okay, do create that NVIDIA key, open NVIDIA account, and take that API key. Okay, as I have already here created here, you can see that. Okay. Mm. Okay, after connecting to the open code, just slash connect, use this command, and here search NVIDIA. Sorry, NVIDIA. Okay, you can see here. Choose that. After that, you have to paste your API key here. Okay, take here from your API key. Just think I have to create another one because I am unable to copy this. Okay, I will make it as a bug bounty. Okay, take this as never expired and generate. Obviously, I will blur this part. Okay, just copy and paste that and hit enter. Okay, when you hit enter, it's going to ask you for the which AI model you want to choose. Okay, these are the models local models. Okay, local models also has some capability, the Chinese models have the capability, same capability as the Sonnet 5. And one more thing is what is that, Opus 4.5. This one Opus 4.5, same Opus 4. No, not Opus 4.5, Opus 4.8, sorry. This one GLM 5.2. This is the one which I am talking earlier. Okay, this has a capability, same capability, like especially for the coding. Okay, this has this capability especially for the coding. And we are using some, what I can say, that models, especially the model like DeepSeek. DeepSeek is best at the bug bounty hunting. Okay, I will even show you 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes video for the reconnaissance of a particular target. Okay, 1 minute. I will going to choose the DeepSeek. DeepSeek will go with the 4 Pro with a high. Max means it will take max. It's going to take so much time if I choose for the max. Okay. Yes, we have selected for a DeepSeek V4 Pro from the NVIDIA. Okay, in OpenCode. Hmm. Now we need one thing. First, we need skills for the bug bounty hunting. Okay, to create that skills, we can go here. Inside, I have already has some skills already, my own skills. Okay, especially this Molly Recon. This is a skill for the which can has the capability for the doing the reconnaissance. Okay, uh, I will give you these all kinds of guidance and these uh, skills. Okay, but before that, you need to subscribe to the channel. In upcoming days, you can get some videos where I will explain the how exactly I have created the skills. And especially in this video only, I am going to give you some especially two AIs. Okay, two AI tools from the online, where you can access the pro models for the free, not the CLI, but those are the web based AIs. Okay. Okay. Now let me do the, especially for the reconnaissance. Let me choose the target, and I will be back. Please subscribe to the channel because I'm doing these videos. Some YouTubers will not make these kinds of videos for the free. Even in future, I'm going to connect this open code to the burp suite, and I will explain you how exactly we are going to understand how it's going to understand the requests and responses. And especially right now, I have chosen the DeepSeek V4 Pro. Okay, this is especially I think that is especially for logical thinking and critical thinking. This is better. Okay, and if you want to explore other models, you can explore. But do install these kinds of CLIs, because these are going to very helpful for the, especially for the bug bounty hunting. The things that you missed in doing while doing reconnaissance, it's going to notice that. Okay, especially for JavaScript reading, JavaScript files reading, JavaScript secrets. Okay, now let me go and choose some one particular target. Okay, that is already on the out there for the on the hacker one crowd integrity. I will choose and I will come back. Okay, 1 minute, I will come back. Okay, this is a target which I have chosen, boss VDP. Okay, and this has the wildcard. Here you can see that. Okay, especially choose those domains which the wildcards are more there. Okay, because these kinds of things where works with especially for the wildcards. Okay, and as you can see that I have switched for the flash, because this one is not responding right now. I don't know why. DeepSeek V4 Pro is not responding. For that reason, I have switched for the DeepSeek, because DeepSeek is a very good for the, especially for the critical thinking and logical thinking. Mm, okay, this is the okay, sorry, I think it's copy pasted automatically. I will take one more time. This is the site, boss. Okay, www. www.boss.com. Okay, this is the okay. I want to add the skill first. First we will load the skill. Okay, after that we're going to okay, this one my reconnaissance skill. Okay, I will show, as I said you, I will show you only 2 minutes. After that, I'm going to shut down because it's going to take too much time. Okay, okay. Uh, let it think and let it work with the skill. It's thinking right now. I will pause this video and I will come back with some good results. Okay. Okay. As you can see here, it has already saved the report and the summary in the reconnaissance. It has found the subdomains 1007 and next live means in that subdomains which are the live hosts, HTTP responding. These are the domains, HTTP responding domains, and critical findings means it has found some critical. We can say that critical reconnaissance that are very important to look up to, and high value target 18 high value target where you can find some. I can say that high or critical bugs and top findings. It has found that one subdomain, it is subdomain this one, 6 junkies instance publicly. These are publicly accessible. These are not acceptable but accepted as the bugs. Okay, and as you can see, these are the things that are found by the this open code, and especially the skill which we have uploaded. Okay, and I'm not going to stop here only reconnaissance because this is completed these 6 reconnaissance under I think 5 to 8 minutes. This is completed whole reconnaissance. Okay, and I have already said it. I have already told it to that save these all in the particular folder, and it is already created one folder here. You can see that recon folder, and after in that one more folder that is a boss.com, and after that it's created the final report. Okay, this is what I wanted to show. I wanted to like here you can see that I wanted you guys to show these all things. Okay, and I told you that I'm going to show you 2 AIs which are already free and you can use for the especially for bug bounty hunting to make the scripts. Okay, I have played some things here with that. Here in this arena.ai. Okay, we have 4 options. From these things, I would like to take uh, 1 2 3 side by side. It is not necessary. Direct, agent mode, or battle mode. These are the main things we can use. And after that, in battle mode they will not show the what is the AI model they are using. Okay, but in direct, they will give you AI model access. You can see, and for free. Some are for a free. Like I can say that genuine GPT 5.5 is there or not. GPT 5.5, yes, 5.5, and next Fable. I would love to see Fable. No, Opus 4 point. I think the Anthropic models are not available as per my knowledge. Yes, Anthropic are not they have took back. Yes, Anthropic models are not available, but you can go with these kinds of things like a Gemini, this one, and one more is a Grok. Hmm. And they have given the Claude Sonnet 4.6 here. Then Opus 4.6 is also there, right? Let me search Claude Sonnet 4.5. Sonnet 4. No. Okay, Sonnet 4.5 high is there. I think this is paid. I don't know. Vision. I don't know what is that. Let me choose this and let me say hi. I'm a hacker. Let it be how it's going to respond. Let me see. Hey, nice to meet you. Mas, what kind of hacking are you into? Security such as CTF. Oh, okay. Okay. This is going to work. And one more is there. I will tell you one more. You can see here domain name. I will give you these domains in the description. You can check out with that. And also the process for the open code. I will upload the one PDF for that. PDF is going to contain, especially PDF is going to contain the contents of how to install and some prompts. I can provide you the prompts. Okay, VNC.ai and these two AI, especially this one Arena and VNC. VNC it's incredible because it has limitless. Like it's not going to what I can say that restricted by anything. We can even you can write the exploit with it, but you have to tell it that you are the legitimate user, like what I already earlier explained, that I am a bug hunter. I am using you for the bug hunting and all, and it's going to manipulate it. It's going to easily manipulate it. But these are the paid versions are there. Only I think all the models are available here, but this is a very good one, as I say that. This one is a private, but this is a very helpful for me to create especially the skills and especially the automated scripts for the bug hunting. And that's it for the today's video. Just try to explore these two, especially these two, and if you have any doubt or any kind of issue that is coming errors and all, you can contact me on LinkedIn, or else you can comment here only down. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group, especially for the bug hunting, if you can directly talk with me there. And I will see you in our next video. Okay, please do subscribe to the channel, and happy hunting, and what I can say that install this open code. I will see you in next video. Bye.